Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to save and unsave an Instagram post. So let's start. First open the Instagram app. When the app is open you have to look for a post you can save. I have already found one. Now let's save this post. All you have to do is tap on the badge on the right hand side of the post. When the badge has turned white it means the post has been saved. Now let's save some other post too. Let's save this one. Now tap on the badge and that post will be saved. Now let me show you how you can unsave a post. Go to your profile from bottom right corner. Then tap on the three bars on top right corner. Then tap on saved. And here you will see two categories, all post and wish list. You have to tap on all post. Now tap on the post you want to unsave. And to unsave you have to tap on that badge again. And that post will be unsaved and removed from your saved post. Now let's unsave another one. Tap on the badge and that post will be unsaved. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.